I'm so proud of you for sticking with your workout routine. Welcome to day 17. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. This workout consists of the following exercises. 1. Jump squat 5 sets. 2. Squat 5 sets, squat hold 5 sets. The number of repetitions for each set is displayed in the video. That's it for today's workout. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.